Mr. Right here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question. If you would like me to tackle a question of your choice, then email it to me. My email address is in the description of this film, or add your question to the comments of this film, and of course, I'll tackle it and upload a solution for you. Right, in this question, we're asked to prove algebraically that 2.75 recurring converts to this fraction. Now, this is often seen, and the fun thing about this topic is it doesn't really link to any others, so these questions always appear as a sort of one-off. Now, what we've got here is we've got a recurring decimal, 2.75 recurring, which means, of course, 2.7555, and so on. Now, how are we going to convert that into a fraction? Well, we're going to follow a set method. First of all, we're going to write x equals, and we're going to leave a few blank squares, and then write 2.7555. Okay, now in this case, I'm now going to work out 10x. So I'm going to move all the digits one to the left, so I get 27.5555, and so on. Now, why have I done this? Well, if I now do my second line, my 10x, subtract my x, then I'll get 9x here. But the joy of doing my second line, 27.5 recurring, subtract my top line, is that all of these fives are going to knock each other out. So I'm going to be left with 27.5 minus 2.7. Now, I can do that on my calculator. 27.5 minus 2.7. That gives me 24.8. Or, of course, if this had been a non-calculator question, then I could simply have worked out, perhaps over here, 27.5 subtract 2.7 to get 24.8. So now, over here, I have 9x equals 24.8. But if I divide both sides by 9, I get an expression for x, 24.8 over 9. So I started with x equals my decimal, and now I've got x equals my decimal written as a fraction. Not quite what they're after yet, though, because they wanted 124 over 45. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom of my fraction by 5 to change that 9 into a 45. And on my calculator, if I do 24.8 times 5, I get 124. There you go. So x started as equaling the decimal that they wanted me to work with, and x finished as equaling the fraction that they wanted me to find. Thanks for watching. Email me a question and I'll tackle it for you.